Murder trial of former Mobile County Commissioner Steve Nodine has moved into its second week. Fox 10 News reporter April Douglas is live in Bay Minette with a recap of what happened today in court. April?
Good evening, Bob. Today, court ended with video of Steve Nodine in Don Carlos restaurant in Daphne on the same night that Angel Downs was found with a gunshot wound to her head in her driveway. Now, on this video, you can see Nodine walk into the restaurant and sit at the bar for about 45 minutes. Investigators say he was drinking water and coffee, but other than that, there was nothing else to see to this video. And even Judge Charles Pardon questioned the relevance and didn't see wasting 30 minutes watching it. Also in court today, we heard for the first time the 911 call from the night that Angel Downs was found shot in the head in her driveway. A neighbor called 911 and said his neighbor was in her driveway with a gunshot wound to the head. Now, the caller said he did not think it was an accident, and that is when he identified Steve Nodine as being at the scene. The caller on the tape said he heard the gunshot, and then he saw Nodine's county-issued red Ford pickup truck. Now, testimony from Dr. James Downs also continued today. He is the forensic expert hired by the prosecution for $400 an hour. He testified again that the scene was staged. He used the marks on Angel's back, the placement of her hair to all base his opinion. A busy day in court. There is so much information for you on our website, fox10tv.com. This is a story we are constantly updating, so please check it out there. Of course, we're tweeting as well. Chastity Bird has been in the courtroom, and a topic that is getting a lot of attention is there was no gunpowder residue test performed.
That is right, April. We heard this in testimony today that neither on Angel Downs nor Steve Nodine was there a gun residue test performed. We heard this in testimony from someone with the Department of Forensic Science. He basically said it's against his department's policy because the tests are not reliable. Now, a gun residue test is a test that would determine if there's gunpowder on an individual's hand. So we brought this to your attention on Facebook. This topic alone has gotten more than 80 comments on Facebook. Let's go ahead and read some of your comments, guys, if we could take the Facebook page. Here's some of your comments that we have. Ashley Foster says, yes, I believe that the policy should be changed. This would greatly help in this case. Lisa Tuttle just simply says, yes. Kathy LaDrew says, yes, we are so far behind. Gun residue or not, fingerprints are not on the gun. If it was suicide, how can that happen? And we're just getting a lot of just simple yeses. Lisa Cooper, one more, says, of course. How more backwards can this law be? Now, we were told today that a lot of other places do use a gun residue test, so we're going to continue to chat about this on Facebook with this comment. We're putting comments up every single day to get your feedback. We're also updating, just like April said, Twitter at Chastity Bird. We're also tweeting on Fox 10 News. We're also sending updates to fox10tv.com and to our Facebook page. We're giving you a front row seat to the Nodine trial here in Baldwin County. Court resumes tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. Reporting live from Bay Minette, Chastity Bird, Fox 10 News.
A man accused of killing